In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to make money from just one Instagram reel. It might sound too good to be true, but I assure you it's absolutely not. As someone who's made $10,000 a month consistently for years through Instagram, I can tell you that one reel is all it takes to make money online. Now, I want you to think for a second that you're posting reels and everything's going normal. But I want you to understand that most people, most accounts that you follow, most influencers, they don't go viral all the time, okay? What they've done is they've posted consistently for years and then had one or two viral posts, okay? And our job as marketers and people trying to make money from a reel is to analyze what made that reel popular and how can we remake that for ourselves. So the first thing you have to do is understand what are the mechanics behind the reels that do the best, okay? What's the length? What's the audio? What's the text on the screen and the caption and the comment section, most importantly? And then from there, we need to try to copy it as best we can. But I want you to think about offering the right offer to the right person through an Instagram reel, okay? So there are many influencers online who make tens of thousands of dollars per reel, per video that they post. So it's absolutely, possible. But you don't have to be well known. You don't have to be popular already. The introduction of short form content has made it so that anyone can reach a large audience if the content is good enough. When I first started, you used to have to, write blog posts and hope to rank in Google search, or try to scour Facebook for, feeds or forums. And it was really hard to promote any type of offer or make money online if you didn't already have a following. And that's completely not the case now. With the introduction of short form content, you can reach a large audience even if you have no following, okay? Now, I promise you the simplest way to do it. So I'm halfway through this video. What I want you to do is drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll reveal it to you right now. The simplest way is through affiliate marketing with the right affiliate offer. And the best offer that you can possibly promote with Instagram Reels is my school group. I'll leave a link in the description below. But basically, for every member that you refer to my group, I give you a 50% reoccurring commission. This is the only group the only affiliate program that teaches you how to promote your affiliate link. So not only do you have the best affiliate program in the world with the best payouts, reoccurring commissions, I also teach you exactly how to promote your link, okay, with Instagram Reels. So let's talk about the mechanics of that real quick. Let's say you sign up for the affiliate program, and from there you start posting Reels. You have to be a little careful about putting your link in the bio. Sometimes that can hurt your reach. But what you do want to do is set up an automation, and I teach you how to do that within the group, to respond to all comments so that you don't have to do it yourself. And what it'll do is automatically respond to the comment, so with a comment, and then it'll automatically send your link through DM to those people that comment. You can also set up automations to automatically go out and kind of welcome people who follow you, new followers. I also teach you that inside the group. But I want you to imagine for a second how one short video, and the biggest part about this is there's no production value to this. Like when you really dig into the top performing posts, they're not super charismatic. They're not editing over the top, nothing fancy. It's really, really simple mechanics. And once you learn the viral video format, which I do teach inside the group, it becomes very, very simple, okay? And it takes very low effort. But I want you to imagine that you get 1 million views on a post. Let's say that's good for about 1,000 subscribers. And let's say about 20 of them sign up for my group. So they sign up through your link and they sign up for the group. From one post, that's a reoccurring $500 a month that you would receive by promoting my school group. I'll leave a link in the description below. But that is the simplest way to make money from one Instagram reel. And if you can make money from one, you might as well post a lot more and make a lot more money. Hope that helps. Link in the description below. I'll catch you next time.